Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Farming Simulator crashing on game load or not launching. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So first thing you need to do is check your NVIDIA drivers. So you can check them by going on your NVIDIA app or by going to Device Manager. So on NVIDIA app itself, there are drivers. You can go ahead and download the newest one. But if the problem is that the drivers are too new and you want to go ahead and delete them and install older version of the driver. So you're going to see them here. So for example, for this specific one, you can go ahead and uninstall the device. And after that, browse your computer for drivers which you have downloaded from NVIDIA itself and basically update them. And that's pretty much it about the drivers. You want to go ahead and install older version of the driver and try to launch Farming Simulator. Now another thing you can try to do is by going to Documents and then going to your right there, then My Games, Farming Simulator, and here you want to find the game right there, game exe file, and once you will find it, you want to go ahead and edit it in Notepad. Once you will edit it in Notepad, you want to scroll down until you will see rendered, and here you may see DX12, for example. For me it looks like this. All you need to do is just write down DX11, just like so, and basically again the older version, and by changing it, it should fix the issue. Just make sure to save it. Another thing you can try to do is by going on Settings and System. Here you want to go ahead and choose Display, then you want to choose Graphics on Related Settings. And on graphics, you want to go ahead and add here a desktop app. So you want to find your Farming Simulator somewhere, and I'm just gonna add it through here. But basically, once you will add Farming Simulator, you want to go ahead and choose high performance and GPU, and then leave it like so. So that's what you need to do in order to fix Farming Simulator crashing. The last thing you can try is by writing Farming Simulator in search and run it as administrator. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.